iTest has always been the premier automation authoring solution. Now, with iTest 7.0, all iTest's values, including productivity, portability, and reusability, are available to Python developers. We'll tell you how iTest turbocharges your Python coding in this 3-minute video. Spirent iTest allows engineers to rapidly create their automated test cases using our built-in capture replay workflow, patented response mapping technology, and session quick calls. Combined, these components allow test engineers to quickly create abstract test cases that can be run across different platforms, models, and versions of devices under test. These components are the foundation for developing powerful and modular system automation within iTest. Now, these components can be leveraged inside and outside of iTest. Introducing Python SLC, a game-changing integration between iTest and the Python scripting environment. Response maps and quick call libraries can now be consumed in a pure Python environment on a step-by-step level. This allows automation teams to utilize powerful quick calls and response maps within their Python frameworks, such as in-house test regression systems. Python SLC is easily installed using the pip package management system. Once the package is installed, simply connect to an iTest GUI or headless agent over the network. Python SLC can even launch an agent in the background for a fast and simple deployment. The Python SLC session now has access to all of iTest's projects, session profiles, response maps, and quick call libraries. Just use the help function to see documentation, syntax, and examples of Spirent SLC objects. Open device sessions from Spirent SLC and start leveraging the powerful quick calls associated with the device. Then quickly process the responses in order to extract the concise information needed for automated tests. Issue native commands in the session as well, and run queries from response maps and auto-generated maps. Already have some captured sessions? Just use our Export to Python wizard to instantly generate Python SLC scripts. Want to use an external editor to develop Python scripts? Just copy the Spirent SLC script into your clipboard and paste the contents into an IDE. Python SLC, turbocharging the Python environment. With this integration, Python makes iTest more powerful, and iTest adds massive strength to Python. Contact your Spirent regional sales manager today to learn more about Python SLC.